He's coming in, and even if that was coming towards there, automatically, because I can't see that one, my automatic reaction is to actually move in. So from that reaction, BAM! Because I'm here already. Right. Again, any scenarios? Scenarios that you can think of that you have been in? Fighting wise?
But well, you know, you have cut ones, isn't it? So
Yeah.
it's normally when it's like when you're close up and like I remember when you said, but if it ever gets to a situation where you've got your hands on, you know.
Again, bro, what you got to think of is before they set. As soon as they held me this way, I've still got my arms. Okay? So as soon as you hold me this way, ready to pull it over. As soon as you got ready, as soon as you start to move, I'm going to come this way.
So as you say, a lot of the time, try to be friendly, but you're like almost.
Again, remember what I said? Never let anyone put their hands on you. Not once, not 1 second. Again, if you're in a situation where you know he's trying to try it on, automatically, I'm going to stretch his arm out. Sorry, Dad! Because he will go. Because I'm waiting in the shoulder. Because that